moment. That's good. It's good. You guys are famous now, Twitch. You're going to be on YouTube. It should feel illegal. But it's not. Anyway, up $5,100 right now. This morning, I was up $5,000, what did I say, $59. So I was as high as over $6,000 in afternoon trading. Gave a little bit back. So we're right back to where we started after the morning session. So we'll get into the trade. I want to invite you all, though, if you're watching this right now, to come hang out on Twitch. Link down below. Let's get into the trade. I did start trading pre-market, so I'll have some pre-market trades. The action has been hot and heavy as of late. So you got to get up when the time is right, and you have to make the money when the time to make the money is at. Whatever the hell I'm saying. Let's get into the trades. Gave it all back. And this is it right here. So we had this pre-market. This is at 8:41 p.m. This is where we're going to be trading. And this, let me get rid of all these lines. This nice move up here. Looking for a pop, pull back candle over candle, which failed right here. So that's like red flag number one that, hey, we might be going down. But a lot of times what can happen is you do what we call a W play, which is you get your candle over candle, which fails, pull back to a support, and then go. Makes like a W, and the breakout is right at the middle part of the W right there. So AMTD has been super strong today because it owns a majority stake in HKD, which HKD is stupid because HKD IPO'd 2 weeks ago at $7.50, and today it went over $2,500. It's just completely broken. So finally, AMTD is finally moving, and we were playing a pre-market. In this case, I was trying to buy the support level, which would be this 9 EMA here, this red line, and it just so happened did not hold the level and tanked. And as it tanked, I sold. So I got in at basically 1309, 1310, whatever it is, and I started trying to exit as that level broke. And I sold around 1250, 1260, 70, whatever it is. So here's that trade. Oh, this looks like it's going lower. Oh, gosh. My goodness. Oh, there goes the profits from this morning. Who called it out? Someone in our group took a look at it. It was about to break high a day. Had that volume coming into it. Went long. Got the pop over the level that we were looking for. I was just looking for an... Ooh, I got in this late. Ooh, I got in this late. I wonder if I run the replay that I'm like yelling at myself because I tried to get in at like 860 and I got filled at 890. Anyway, got in, got the $9 break, luckily, and I sold on the other side of 9. So small win. Nice move up on OST. Again, you got to understand at this time of day, everything in their brother's hitting the scanner, so you kind of really need to make sure it just pops, gives you a pullback, and then you can play off of it rather than just pop and drop. This one gave us a pullback. You had the pop up here, pullback candle, candle over candle entry is right there. Looking for the 50-cent level break, take profit over it. I got in at 246, sold at 254. Nice little win. me share it. What? Leave a chat room that I'm in, called it out, took a look at it. Volume's coming into it in a kind of a bigger way. I jumped in it. You know, I don't really like chasing stocks that hit scanners, but on days like this when things just seem to move $2 whenever they hit the scanners, it's like you can get away with it and you can make some money off of it. It's just a rare time. So when this one hit the scanners, jumped in on it at around 665, was looking for a quick pop. I got that, sold. It ended up going over $8 on that same run. It was insane. Sold at 687, 691. Did I play it again? No. Vuzix, I'm not going to go over. This was news play. This one beat me up. Yeah, let's just run this one. All right, so now we're into normal hour trading. This one, iLag, was one that was moving well. Had this nice move up. Candle over candle. Try, kind of failed. Then it picked up some more volume, going for high day. I jumped in it looking for this high day move and break higher. Almost win and then dumped. And as it dumped, I got out. It was like a 20-cent loss here. Nope. Off, filled the gap, and it was coming back up this morning. This kind of created kind of a W right here. And I entered in as it was breaking that middle section of that W right inside this candle here. So we're coming back up. I went long, looking for, at this point, high day. Broke it, sold. So I got in at 874 average, sold at 895, 898, and it did break and go, but took my money and ran. Revlon. I get over 76. Not a huge fan of that. Backup's good. There you go. Get on up. Get on up. Yes, sir. chart this morning, and it was just kind of threatening to break out. And I had a position that I held for a long time. Finally, it did break out, small win on it, and then it absolutely went nutso. But the next trade I'll do is Revlon here again. What was the time? 9:50. So this candlestick here. So this is pop, pull back, pull back, pull back. This is a little bit longer of a pullback that I like, but since Revlon had such a good story to it, slash potential short squeeze, whatever, I tried it, just looking to get a little bit out of it. I got in at 9:34 right here on this candle. And it was the next candle that it kind of went 5-minute candle over candle at that time. And got a nice juicer out of it. I didn't get in for the break at 9:50 or 9:60 for that matter, but it was about a 10-cent win. So, you know, roughly $400. LTRPB coming back up. RTEB. This one, for some reason, has been a sympathy play of LTRPB. They're not related anyway that I can find. But for some reason, whenever LTRPB went up, so did QRTEB. The only relation they have is that their tickers are 5 letters and they end in a B. And they have T and R in there as well. That's it. But like clockwork, they run together. So in this case, when I saw LTRPB move, where's that, around 10 o'clock, and halt up, since it was a runner yesterday as well, I was thinking, okay, this thing has a chance to go, especially with all this craziness that's going on. So I went long. Did I take that? Yeah, 2,000 shares, 1630 on this sucker right here. And it actually, I did top ticket. That's me right there. Top ticked that trade. And it didn't do anything for a while. I actually sold off pretty hard. And then finally, it took off. And it took off in a big freaking way. I think it did after LTRPB unhalted. So as I got the spike is obviously when I sold 1,000 shares at 17 for $700. And then I sold pieces at 1710, 1730. Or I tried at 1730. Yeah, 1730 and 1710. So nice win. Oh, I didn't see that the spread was that. I did not see that. Yeah. That sucks. That sucks big time. LTRPB needs to open up ASAP. And it's not. Gotta wait another freaking 3 minutes. That's my only hope now on this thing. Caught PGY, is it moving? Wait on it. LTRPB. If this can go. You'd be feeling juicy. Sega high day. Jeez. Please open. Yes. Juice it, baby. All right. Q. All right, Q, your turn. Oh, chat room pumping QRTB now. Look at this shit. Or candle. This is my favorite strategy. You have your pop, pull back, pull back, pull back. This is your first candle over candle. I entered in right there at 1048. Got the 50-cent break. Sold on the other side of that for a quick, almost 10 cents. Just under $400 win. QTEB's going again. It's halting, huh? Pop, pullback candle over candle, pullback candle over candle. I played this pullback candle over candle right here. I got in at 1045. Pops up, breaks 1050, comes right back down. And I ended up selling for a loss. So I thought I was going to break out and keep going. It just didn't do it. Oh well. This feels blow off topish. Of course, I get filled right bid. Lows as it's coming up to this resistance. So you have price compression. It's compressing like a spring and it's about to go. We had this 1 minute cuck right here that didn't do anything to the downside. That kind of gives you a hint that maybe it's just about to test resistance and break it. Went long looking for that break in at 1257 and 1271. Got the break, sold before it went stupid, of course. Got out at 1291 and 1283, and then it just went nuclear. VRAX. I'm going to try it. It's over that 1250 level. There it is. NA. Why did an alert go on NA? So that's how we finished up the morning. $5,059. Currently up $5,100. Like I said, it was up over $6,000. Give back a little bit, but that's trading for you. So if you're interested in day trading, you want to learn more, coming out in Twitch chat. That's what it's here for. Great community, bunch of degens half the time, but we're here to help each other make money. So come on in. Link for that is down below, and I'll see you in the next video.